Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who want to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew the turban headbands. These are very simple, easy to do and quick method like this. You can use any kind of fabric, whatever you have. I chose this linen fabric. This is very beautiful and soft fabric. Silk, lycra and cotton fabric are also very suitable fabric for turban style headbands. I cut my fabric. I cut two strips, long strips as per my hat circumference. Its length is 18 inches and width is 7 inches. And short strip length is 11 inches and width is 3 inches. I am using a 6 inches long elastic and its width is half inches. First I am folding my all strips lengthwise, so it's inside out. I will sew straight line across the edges. Now I am pulling my all strips right side out. I have attached my safety pin at the one end and wave the pin through the inside of the tube and pull it out on the opposite end. Now iron on them. Make sure that joining seams will keep on center. I take the elastic and attach safety pin to one end like this. Thread the elastic through the small tube, small strip. Before removing the safety pin, take another pin and attach it to one end of the tube so that elastic will not go in. Small strip is ready. on sewing both ends where I attached pins. First, take a big strip and fold it in half. Make sure joining seams will facing each other. Take the small strip and put it on the center of the long strip. Now fold both sides onto elastic strip like this. Attached pin in order to secure this end. Now take another long strip. Make sure joining seams on the top side and that strip goes inside and make some kind of a loop. Now grab the elastic and repeat the whole process. Don't forget to attach the pin on that also. Now sew both sides carefully. Now they have been stitched. Trim all extra elastic and fabric. Now flip it in, then raw edges will go inside and pull it out. Do it both sides. It's all done now. It is prepared and ready to wear. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.